Running scrambler.
Major Shin to all forces. There are stormtroopers on Yavin 4. With the Death Star destroyed, command personnel have evacuated, but our data banks are still intact. We can't let the enemy steal those files. They'll come at us the usual way. Try to blow out our turbo lasers, then advance towards the bunkers. We can't save our base, but we can slow them long enough to purge our data and get optimal.
Grenade out!
They got to the east turbo laser!
Securing the east turbo laser! Taking the area!
Grenade deployed!
Detonator locked on the east turbo laser!
Enemy explosives on the west turbo laser!
Throwing!
East turbo laser has been destroyed.
Grenade out!
Courtyard turbo laser set to blow!
Jammer online. Throwing grenade!
West turbo laser destroyed. Only one left. Then the imps push forward.
Need to fade.
Who is that? Imperial Elite on the ground!
All turbo lasers destroyed. The enemies cleared to land more troops, but we made them pay for it. And our people are clearing out the base. Fall back and regroup. Rally at the camp in a turbo laser control. Defend those
Grenade
positions
out.
as long as you can. Once they're through, we'll be forced to fight for the base itself. Stand ready!
Grenade out!
New friendly on the ground!
They're all over laser control!
Need to fade. Grenade out!
If we don't get laser control back soon, we'll have to cede the position.
Grenade out! Jamming sensors. Going dark.
They're through! They're inside the camp!
Get over there and get them out!
Grenade out!
Enemy assaulting the camp!
If this goes on, we'll have to abandon the camp.
Ammo online.
Fall back! Fall back! Our people in the base still need more time. We'll hold the line at the entrance. Position yourselves at the gate control stations. The imps will try to override them to gain access to the base. If they get through, we won't have much more to lose.
We're losing control of the East Station!
We got to the East Station!
Override halted!
No shakta kolita udroda kula nupi nupi.
East Station's slipping out of control!
Palpatine has joined the Imperials. We must be cautious. Chewbacca has joined our side.
techs got to the West Station!
The Empire is resorting to bounty hunters now. Bosk is here.
Enemy at the West Station!
Reclaim the station, now! We've lost the gate controls. Now the Imperials will advance inside the base. Fall back and regroup to our final defense. Our data purge is almost complete, but there's enough compromising intel left to set back the rebellion. We need more time before we evacuate. Protect the data banks in the briefing room and the command center. If we fail, we die in the line of duty.
You're at the briefing room, computer! Briefing room databank's compromised!
The Emperor has come. Everyone beware.
Download starting in the command center!
Data tap in the command center! Imperial leader on the ground! Not sure who! Data tap in the briefing room!
Briefing room compromised! They started a download!
Unauthorized access to the briefing room!
Some kind of special combatant on the ground!
I think we can slip right by.
They've downloaded all information from the briefing room.
Enemy leader taking point! I've got something we should try.
Fear is the path through the dark zone.